Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to use Loom Chrome extension. First install the Loom extension on your Google Chrome browser, then click and sign up a account. After sign up account, then click on Loom extension. Then select on your camera on and off and select a microphone. If you have a multiple microphone on your PC, I am select my microphone, I am off my camera and I am choose full screen recording. Click on full screen. Then if you want, click a window or current tab or camera only. You can select your whatever you want. I am selecting current tab and click on start recording. Now this tab is start recording. There is a Loom recorder. Now after recording this is the screen, click on stop button or click on finish Alt Shift L. My first ever Loom video is recording done. After recording Loom video, now I can add a title, then edit your video and enhance your video, add a link, add a audio error or any others feature. Now you can see the transcript of this video. You can change the language or any other settings is here. Now you can share this video with clicking on just copy link, and you can share this link wherever you want to share this video. That's super simple, and you can share with email address. Thank you.